I'm Dora from Kyla's Catch, Kyla's Seafood in New Bedford, and today I'm going to make a quick and delicious meal. It's been a kind of a rainy day out there today, so it's nice to turn the oven on. And these are our New Bedford sea scallops, which we sell here in the market, and they're quite big today. They're native, and what I'm going to do is, because they're big, I have 1 pound of scallops here, and it's usually a half a pound a person. And what I did was I just sliced the scallop, removed the muscle, and then just sliced the scallop in half, so like kind of a medallion type scallop. But now I'm going to go back to the topping, which is going to be a crunchy topping done with our panko. And I have 1 cup of panko crumbs, which we also carry here by Sushi Chef. We have plain and we have flavored crumbs. And I'm going to add some butter, melted butter. Meanwhile, I have my skillet going, and I'm just going to spray it with Pam so the crumbs won't stick to it immediately. And I have a 1/4 cup of sherry wine, a squeeze of lemon, a 1/4 lemon would be fine. And most important that I use in this dish with the pancos is the zest of a lemon. The zest is refreshing. It gives it a nice flavor, and you just use as much as you would like. I like a lot of lemon on my scallops. We make this dish quite often. It's a refreshing, tasteful New Bedford dish. Okay, so we have our zest, and now I'm going to get some fresh parsley, just like 5 or 6 little pieces of the parsley, and chop it fine, and that's going to go into our panko crumbs. It gives it a nice, fresh flavor. We mix this all up, and last is I'm going to put just a splash, maybe 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we also sell Calavita olive oil, which is extra virgin. We sell quite a bit of it, which is good in all your pasta dishes done with seafood. And you kind of mix this quick, and now in your hot skillet, you're going to crunch your pancos, like toast them, so that when they'll go in the scallops, they'll be nice and golden, crunchy, and tasty. While that's being cooked, take an oven-proof skillet, spray it with Pam again, and now we're going to place 1 layer of the scallops. You don't want to over-pack them, because then they won't cook right, the taste won't be there. So you just place your small medallions of these beautiful sea scallops that come into Kyla's Daily. And we have 1 perfect layer. And our crumbs are slowly toasting away. It's a quick dish, refreshing. Okay, and now what we do is we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the scallops, another squeeze of fresh lemon. This is a dish that calls for a lot of lemon. It makes it tastier. You can also make the same dish with a piece of haddock or cod. I wouldn't go as far as shrimp, because if you're going to start with a raw shrimp, it's going to take you a long time, and the prawns will get done way ahead of time. And our prawns are done. And now we're going to make sure that our olive oil is even over the scallops. And all we do is take our pancos, which have been toasted, with all the flavorful herbs and lemon, and we just sprinkle it on top. And it's ready for the oven, which I have it on about 375 to 400. If you have an old oven, go to 400, because the scallops will only take about 10 minutes to cook. But I already have one done here, and this goes in the oven. And now I'm going to plate and show you what our dish looks like. Wash my hands. It's a quick dish, something good for the winter. And this is baked scallop casserole. Call it anything you want to call it, just call it delicious. The crumbs just get nice and crunchy, lemony and buttery. And again, always serve it with lemon. And as a little side, I know I don't have the recipe, but it's quite quick. I have a chutney done out of vegetables, which is corn, red pepper, red onion, and diced cucumber, a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and finish it off with rice wine vinegar, which we also carry here. And your dish is complete, delicious, and ready to go. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.